Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Fly Racing. Seriously? The Fly Racing FR5 Motocross boot. Got these from AMX for $2.99, I think it was. So let's have a look. Whoa, there it is. Went for the white and black. Not a bad looking boot. All steel buckles instead of plastic. 4 buckles instead of 3. A bit more extra protection, of course. And it's got the extra padding here on the instep, so the boot can't fold in half. If you pick up some cheap boots from the bike store and you try and fold that boot in half, it will fold. Anything from around that $300 mark and up has this. You can't fold it, therefore your ankle's better protected. So we'll chuck them on, see how they look.